देखते थे केडी पाठक सोनी पे आ रहा
अदालत
अदालत हाँ केडी पाठक यूज्ड टू बी द कैरेक्टर yeah why should I should listen to you why should I good one good one let's accept that we have all certain egos. Let's accept that. And nowadays the Gen Z, I'm dealing day in day out. You know, Gen Zs, the corporate has this kind of a big disappointment that the Gen Zs lack the teamwork. And they are saying, who the hell are you to dictate me the terms? Yeah, that's what it is. So thank you very much for coming over, man. Thank you. Good. Aage बढ़े sir? Ma'am, what do you think, ma'am? What is the right attitude for the public prosecutor to speak?
We don't have to be impartial. And the general tendency is to be impartial.
So emotional intelligence is very, very important. And because of emotional intelligence, what happens? We definitely make a win-win relationship. Win-win. A personal friend as well as professional friend. Wherever it is. So this is just a reminder to each one of us. Because many times what happens in 40s and 50s, it's like a wardrobe. We buy new clothes and the old clothes, they just go back and it becomes invisible. Only then once in a time we have kind of inventory check. It happens in fridge also, in kitchen also. Many things go out of shelf life. Few people like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months operate to poison in their toxic media. Same happens because of so many things floating around. And the net is deteriorating that. Overthinking all the things. I have a different thought about overthinking when people ask me. Overthinking is a problem. I see no, overthinking is not a problem. When you're in love with someone, some person, some phenomena, some process, some project, you will be loaded with a lot of thoughts coming in, but you are enjoying it. Right? Whatever it is I just said. And we think, but no, the overthinking is big, no, it becomes a problem, it becomes toxic only when the thoughts are conflicting. There is a stress. They are not going in one direction. Right? Then it becomes kind of burnout. That's the only thing. I am also trying best. I think you are right. When you heard this, ki आधा ही pass करना है, so I think you are done your best on the part. That's fine. Oh, great. So when we have that intellectual high, the analytical skills per se, yeah, without any brain fog, emotional fog, tendency to see things as they are, right, being in the present. I keep saying only the person who is present 100% in the present can only present the best present. I repeat, only the person who is present 100% in the present can only present the best present, even in the court also. Be present. That doesn't mean I'm going to learn from the past. History is event management. We change management. And that doesn't also mean that I'm able to plan for the future. But only when it is required. When I'm performing, attending, doing something, I have to be the present. That's all. So emotional intelligence, when you play this activity, not at the cost that some people may get hurt. Physically they may not be that active and it's okay, that's fine. It happens like in teamwork, it's a management stuff, it says like free rider concept. I'm sure you must have heard. कि 10 लोगों की टीम है या 50 लोगों की टीम है, एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ लोग उसमें ऐसे होते हैं जो फ्री राइडर मतलब वो नॉन परफॉर्मर होते हैं, परफॉर्म नहीं करते उतना, बट जब टीम जीती तो वो भी आ जाते हैं, yes, we are also part of it. Free rider concept, they get also kind of yes, reward, yes, I'm also a part of it. Okay. So but then the wisdom lies on a captain or a team or a coach. For example, it's a relay race. 4 people running a race, relay. So positioning matters. You पहले position पे कौन होगा और आखिरी में कौन होगा, so that it's really super fast, who can cover any gap. Super last one and committed one. It depends. Like in corporate, we say there are like 4 quarters. तो last वाले quarter में achieve करने के लिए कौन lead करेगा? पहले वाले में कौन करेगा?
गाड़ी पोजीशनिंग लिए अपन ट्रेन करना लास्ट मोमेंट में सभी
हाँ लास्ट मोमेंट में सही बात है। और पर सर का मुझे एक बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि एम्पैथी की बात करें, कंसर्न की बात करें। चलो मैंने एक एक्टिविटी में कर लिया, कोई और एक्टिविटी करना चाहते हैं, so he is trying to give a chance, right? That is again that kind of.
चांस तो लगे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए ना तो पास हो ही जाएगा।
हाँ सही। अच्छा मुझे एक और चीज sensitize करनी थी because I began a talk with that, you know, push-ups, fitness and all these things. Whatever our profession is, it is not limited today the fitness only to the army people, right? When you look at the people from all walks of life, I think fitness, physical fitness I'm talking about, I give equal importance because Buddha said The healthy mind dwells in a healthy body, as simple as that. I can't afford to have something which take me to the hospital. I'm sure. So fitness, even in this case, we won World Cup, we can't see that KL Rahul, wicket keeping, he's taking a this kind of a lazy stance and he's saying to Bumrah, please bowl, and I'm getting no. There has to be perfect stance, alertness, gid ki tarah aankhein gaad ke, whatever it is. So even in this activity, those were like really physically fit and can maneuver, can bend it flexible like this, like a cheetah or something. I think they will land up. Even when you are standing at the court, for long hours, one has to be very, very fit. One has to be very, very fit. Right? So this is Sadhguru Mantra. And spiritual intelligence, I'm not going to talk anything about spirituality. Because for me, spirituality, number one is to finding out something which we never lost. And depending on someone that someone is going to show us picture, no, it is within us. And if my compassion towards all is increasing day by day, I see that as spiritual. That's it for me. If I'm evolving holistically, that's for me. If my empathy is going beyond borders, beyond genders, beyond beings, as you said, that people are identifying with inanimate things, good, simple. That's all. So no more jam now, no more moral science. Old habits, new habits, simple activity, and I'm going to end. Because habits become a barrier. When people ask me, what is your definition of a bad habit? I say, any habit that becomes a barrier in your career is a bad habit. It can be, recalling those four. So I think you have seen this movie? Yes. Oh, wrong question. Who has not seen this movie? One of my very favorite movies. Everyone has, right? तो अब वही राजू रस्तोगी पुराना डर के जीने वाला स्कूल का टॉपर होता है लेकिन कॉलेज में जाता है तो कंपटीशन में मतलब थोड़ा सा ही हो जाता है हाथों सही रहता है he gives up right he runs and the same Raju Rastogi with certain clarity. So one is confusion, old habit, and another is clarity, that is a new habit. And it say the experts say, the neuroscience says that habits die hard. And in our case, I'm talking about myself, I'm thinking loudly with you all, at 50, it becomes like OCD, isn't it? Emotional habits also OCD. I have seen people, some people in my age, उनको देख के ऐसा लगता है जिंदगी में कभी ये हंसा ही नहीं होगा, उनको देख के ऐसा लगता है ये कितना sarcastic बात कर रहा है, करना ही होगा. I empathize their families. So that comes on the body, that comes on our body many times with your respect. So what we'll do is, that is also. There are a lot, there are at least 40, 50, but because of the time, if you don't mind. Yeah. Yes. You came, you took the lead.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
5-star was there.
Sir,
I'm done, sir. So what do you want? Sorry. I will definitely. I just find it. Which is heinous act, of course. Shameful. No, I'm not trying for this. What? Can you observe this survey? The survey was going on, and in the survey, the rapists were asked, do you feel guilty about what you have done? And know what was the response? I think we all know. Most of the rapists say, we don't feel guilty about it. That is the character habit. How are we going to change that? I know that's not in our purview, but can we sensitize, can we lead by an example, whatever. At least in our family, can we raise our son with respect for him? So may I request you, may sound a little different, but may I, since the workshop is dedicated to women's safety, right, may I request everyone, all the men sitting here, we will take one more time this kind of an oath. Okay, we'll take our hands like everyone. And we will say 3 times, I respect women. Can we say that? I respect women. I respect women. I respect women. Jai Hind.